Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of adding a bio to your Instagram profile. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Step 3. Locate and tap on the Edit Profile button. Tapping on it will allow you to make changes to your profile information. Step 4. Look for the bio section and tap on it. This will take you to the editing screen for your Instagram bio. Step 5. Add your desired bio in the provided space and tap on the check icon to save your changes. And voila! Your Instagram bio is now updated with your personal touch. Feel free to express yourself and let your followers know more about you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.